Hello, everybody. Today we are going to be talking about podcasting. We have talked about it in the past, but we're going to now review a couple things that Tom has learned after completing 120 episodes of a podcast. Now, money, but that's a little bit difficult to do. The more important thing is to be consistent. So if you think that you can only do 12 podcasts in a year, well, then don't drop 12 podcasts on September and then don't do anything in the next 11 months. No, you want to do, if you only can do 12, do one podcast a month. It even provides for you. And then there's even information about time zones, multiple backups, and many other things like that. And then he concludes with a wrap-up. And he is definitely not a pro. He is not an expert yet, but he just wanted to share everything, which is a lot of stuff, everything he learned about podcasting and what he is going to continue to do after all of these 120 episodes. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.